This is the fake French lace. Hi, this is Ryan from Superhairpieces. French lace is one of the most sought-after hair system-based materials because of how natural-looking it is. It's also one of the more expensive base materials as a result. Because of this, some hair replacement system suppliers tend to deceive customers by labeling low-quality or fake materials as the genuine product for cheaper prices. Sometimes they might even overcharge for the fake products. However, there are ways to tell what's real and what's not, and that's what we're here to find out today. The chances are you're ordering your French lace systems online, so you can only use photos. But if you look closely at the following French lace systems, you can see that the one which is fake looks rougher and is generally thicker than the real one. As a result of this, it's also more rigid, which means it's less likely to form to your head shape, so keep this in mind when browsing pictures of French lace online. At Superhairpieces, all of our lace materials are made from the same factory in Switzerland. The fake French lace, meanwhile, is from South Korea. If we look closer at the material zoomed in, you can also see that the real French lace has a smoother texture compared to the fake one. In addition, the fake lace, being thicker as a whole, can make it harder for the material to match up with the skin tone of the wearer. With the genuine lace product not being as thick, the result is a much more undetectable and natural hair system. It can be a little bit tricky to tell the difference without actually feeling the material, but when comparing the pair in person, the difference is very obvious. The genuine product is much softer and just feels higher quality in comparison to the fake product. For hair system wearers, the preference is to always have a softer hair system as it results in a more comfortable wearing experience and leads to less irritation. Another thing to consider is the trade-off that usually happens with hair systems. You usually either get a natural-looking hair system or a very durable hair system. You could get one that is both durable and natural-looking, but it won't be nearly as durable as a hair system that only focuses on durability. With French lace, you're usually getting a natural look over durability. But let's compare the durability of the real and fake French lace using a digital force gauge in our lab. This is the fake French lace. Last chance to prove yourself. So, as you can see, the real French lace is actually more durable than the fake French lace, in addition to being way more natural looking as well. Here at Superhairpieces, you can be rest assured that all of our lace systems are genuine, so you can always use our systems for comparison purposes. Check the link in the video description if you're interested in buying some of our French lace hair systems. See you in the next video.